get it made, and we're going to learn how to make a product photography box.
You'll need a cardboard box and some tape. You'll also need tissue paper, bonding fabric or felt, paper, scissors, a box cutter or an X-Acto knife, and some lights. Tape the bottom of your box. Grab a piece of your diffusing material. We're using a bonding fabric that's linked in the description of this video. You're going to mark an outline of where you want to cut. The fabric needs to lay over the cutout, so it needs to actually be bigger than the square that we cut out. Carefully cut the box using an X-Acto knife or scissors. It's okay if your lines aren't perfectly straight. The main thing is your fabric or whatever diffusing material that you're using is larger than this hole, so when you tape it, light doesn't get through without being diffused. You're going to repeat this on both sides of the box. Next, you're going to grab a white piece of paper and use the back of the box to measure it out. Then you'll want to cut along your line. This paper acts as a backdrop for your photo box. Make sure any price tags or pen marks are facing the bottom. You're going to tape this paper to the top of the box. Next, you'll affix a light on each side of the box using either tape or clip-on lamps. Position your products on the backdrop paper and take your photos.
Well, that was easy.